Okay. You go.
My punishment, huh? I'm being recorded. That's what it's supposed to be.
You act like a jerk, you get a punishment.
Thank
This
God
is
I just had an
recycling.
M&M. God damn it.
I try one of those.
No, you cannot.
No, you don't want to try that.
What is it?
Earthworm jerky. Who thought of this? Whose idea? Who was the diabolical bastard that thought of this?
Hi, I'm your wife. My name is Pam.
Why?
Why did that?
Let me see it.
Oh, it's crunchy like a Thai chili.
Let me see. Turn it around. Let me see it.
Like a Thai, well,
nasty.
Thailand unique. So yeah, it makes sense. It's like a Thai chili.
Ugh, that looks nasty.
Oh,
What
God
is
damn
this?
It's jerky, honey.
it.
It's
Full of
it's
protein.
a toy for Dad.
I don't want a big piece.
Big piece. Biggest one you find.
It's a double.
Nice and thick.
Damn, that's a thick boy.
Oh, that smells awful.
I smell
I
it.
don't know. It kind of smells like teriyaki.
Oh, it smells so gross to me.
I smell it, baby.
No, get away.
Why did you wait till I
You
done
don't
with
want
lunch?
this. This is definitely not something you want. Why did I what?
Wait till I was just done eating lunch.
Because it's beautiful. Don't throw up on me. Let's go. Oh, the way it sounds.
It's not spicy at
It's
all.
stringy and papery at the same time.
It's not spicy for me. Amen.
Was it good? Have another.
Oh! I swallowed some.
You're supposed to swallow it. That was the whole point of eating it.
I'm trying to chew it and I can't because it's just here. Oh, it gets worse to look. Oh, God. There's the dirty taste.
The dirty taste. It tastes like the earth.
It tastes like
Oh.
earth.
Have another.
Ugh.
Oh, I can hear you chewing it. It's gross.
Wait, water.
It's stuck in my teeth.
Good. That means you get to taste it for hours. You're gonna wake up tasting it. Have another. Is it good? Does it taste yummy?
No! It tastes bad.
We thought for sure that you were gonna find yourself going, you know what? It's actually not bad. It's jerky.
The initial taste wasn't bad. The initial taste wasn't bad. But as you chew it, so that you can actually eat it, it gets horrible.
But not at all. Why one is awesome.
What's wrong, honey? What's wrong? Have another. Oh, no, 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 no.
Uh-oh.
Well, congratulations. You won the biggest idiot award.
Here's a punishment.
I enjoyed the whole thing.
Enjoy that.